Mega India Today impact indeed. The rape-accused Prajwal Revanna, JDS MP, is all set to return to India. We have some idea of his arrival. In fact, Prajwal Revanna is set to appear before the Karnataka SIT on the 31st of June. Prajwal says there's been political conspiracy against me. I've gone into depression and isolation. Few forces in Hassan are against me because I'm growing politically. Don't mistake me. 31st, 10 a.m. I'll be in front of SIT and I'll cooperate. I trust the judiciary. The false cases against me. I trust the law. I want to apologize to my family members, my Kumaranna, who he means the former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy. I also will apologize to my party workers for not providing proper information about my whereabouts abroad. Big update, Prajwal Revanna there, sending out a message that he's very much coming back to India, will be facing the SIT probe on the 31st of this month. Sagai Raj, who's tracking that story. Sagai, Prajwal Revanna has spoken where, to who? Has he put out a written message somewhere? Has he given an interview to someone? We want to know details exactly. When is he coming? What has he said?
See, according to one of the regional news channel where he has shared his video, a selfie recorded video of Prajwal Revanna with one of the regional channels where he has spoken about this entire case, and he said that on 31st of May 10 a.m. he'll be in front of special investigation team, that is SIT, and he will cooperate in the investigation and he will cooperate in the questioning of SIT. I repeat, an interview to a regional channel, he has shared a selfie video which he has recorded wherever he is, and he had mentioned that he will be coming to India and he will cooperate in the investigation. On 31st of May, he will appear before the special investigation team, and he will answer all the questions whatever been asked by the special investigation team. And he has also alleged that whatever the conspiracy which is there, he will reveal everything on the day when he visits India. And he says that a huge force is working against him in Hassan, and he has gone into depression all these days when he was staying abroad. And on 31st, when he returns to India, he will be sharing all the details with the special investigation team in Bengaluru.
My God, shocking. He's really had the audacity to claim that this is just deliberate targeting, etc. If he really had the courage, he should have faced investigation right from day one. For him to be speaking in a selfie video, sharing it to a certain regional channel and making it seem like as if the world is targeting him and he's the innocent one here. The fact that he's escaped investigation for nearly a month itself goes against him, isn't it, Sagai? How many notices were sent out to have Prajwal Revanna arrive and appear before the investigative authorities? Give us more on the number of attempts the SIT made right from the start to today, sending out notices to Prajwal to appear for investigation. And how many of them has he ducked? All of them we know, but how many attempts were made?
Yes, if you notice that there are 3 to 4 notices which have been issued by special investigation team. Initially, there were 2 notices which was been issued against him, and thereafter there was no response. But he had mentioned through his lawyer that he will be appearing in front of special investigation team in 7 days. But he didn't appear after that, and now it is a month that got over where he has disappeared to the foreign country. According to this particular video, he has alleged that when the elections was there on 26th, when he left, there was no cases against him. And he says that it is all political conspiracy. Within 2 or 3 days, there was an FIR against him, and there was a special investigation team which was being formed against him. And he is clueless, and he has also apologized to his family members, including his grandfather Deve Gowda, his mother and father, for them to go through all these things because of allegations against him. Again, I repeat, he has alleged that these all political conspiracy, and he also says that Rahul Gandhi makes this as an election issue. This clearly shows that the entire political system is working against his family and him in Hassan.
Wow. Here's a man who goes absconding for nearly a month, has rape charges against him, multiple of them, not one woman, many women who've come out and accused him of rape. Case has been filed, victims have testified, the probe is thick into the allegations against him, and he calls this political conspiracy and that he's being used as pawn. within the political circles. Well, Prajwal Revanna has assured, though, in that video that he's coming back on the 31st or appearing before the SIT on the 31st. He's spoken to a regional channel, breaking his silence for the first time, saying that he apologizes to all people for not revealing information of his whereabouts. Of course, India Today's impact indeed, as we've right from the start to today ensured that he takes up responsibility and is brought back at the earliest.